Hi there, it's Jeff again. I wanted to do a little video about setting up a WordPress website. Fairly simple, fairly fast to do. I'm pretty sure we could do it in under the 5-minute WordPress installation, which is what they say it takes when you install from scratch. We're going to be using a simple tool that's called SoLoMoBOX that deploys about 400 different apps. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. All right, we're going to go to hosting, which is in our solutions, manage product. So if you're familiar with cPanel, you can see that a few of the cPanel icons for the different easy functions are in our dashboard, but we're going to go ahead and go over to cPanel. And so this is WHM cPanel. This is where most of the people are out there are hosting. Same functionality or same platform that GoDaddy and all the other hosting registrars use. We're going to make this really easy by going down to the bottom here, and you'll see that this is a SoLoMoBOX program. It allows you to install, I think it's a good 400 different software suites, CMS, CRMs, PPMs. Just there's massive amounts, and those are all free. So we're going to select the WordPress. All right, we're going to go down, install now, and now we're going to start configuring our installation. So we are using all servers on our platform force the SSL. So we're using HTTPS. This is the domain we're going to put it on. And we're going to get rid of that because we want to install to the root domain, not into a folder. So if you were installing into a folder, you could just add that folder name here and it'll install into there. But we want to be able to access it at millerabatement.com, not millerabatement/WP, so which is where it would have been. All right, our name, Miller Abatement, for our demo. Leave the multi-site unchecked. That's if you were going to do multi-sites in a subdomain fashion. Username, I'm going to put mine in. Actually, I'm going to use admin. And all right, and admin, that looks good. And let's see what else. This is pretty good to do. You can select a theme here. I'm just going to select that one because I'm going to be changing this theme out as soon as we get in there. Let's go up and double check before we install. Make sure we got all the boxes crossed. Yep, we look good. Okay. If you wanted installation directions, but this is going to install. Okay, and we're installing here. And that is it, folks. Installation of WordPress is complete. So you'll see this is the URL that it was installed at, and this is where you're going to log in. And we are going to use that information that we used to create, which was the admin and the password. So this is pretty simple, basic WordPress here. We're going to go get rid of that one, and we're logged right in. All right, so that's basically it. We're inside of WordPress now. 5-minute WordPress installation. Actually, I think we got this one done a little faster. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.